Hi guys, today I have the chance to show you this eRapta car rear view camera with 4.3 inch monitor. Very quickly I can show you what you get. You can see I have everything here, so I'm going to quickly connect and show you the image how it's working, but I'm not going to install it on my car. And what we also get, of course, is these instructions. This could be very helpful, so I hope you can see everything, read everything. It's a little bit mirroring, but I think it's focusing more or less. This thing has different colors. We don't have to this color plugs here, unfortunately, but I think you still get the point. Here I'm getting a little bit closer, so you can read what's in this orange text here, and also things in the back regarding instructions guide, troubleshooting, and also email and contact, and warranty seems to come even with 2-year warranty. Definitely not bad. So what you have here is the cigarette lighter adapter. We plug it here inside. I mean, of course you would do that in the car. And then we have this T cable. It's an also very long extension cable, which should definitely fit for the back. We connect it here to the cigarette lighter adapter cable, and as far as I can see, one wire goes then to the camera itself. It's like a 4-pin, so it's probably the power and the video, so you have to align it here somehow, push it inside. And same thing with the second plug here with the camera cable, so make sure that it's properly aligned before you push it inside. Now it's inside. We have also this suction cup holder, comes also with this power connector cable. So if you have an existing power cable, you can use this thing to provide power. We have also this option here with these 2 wires, which you could hook up and then use the power from here instead of the 12 volts from here. And so why is it not working? We have to push here inside, and then everything will be on power. We get the light here for the backup camera, so you can see it has quite some light. I've heard from other people that it's not allowed to use it everywhere. Be careful when you use the light, but you can turn it off. And so here we see the picture of the camera. I think it's not bad. As far as I can see, the picture is pretty good. It's much better than what you see here. Unfortunately, the camera has a little bit of problems recording this screen here, but actually it's pretty good. I hope it can make it a little bit sharper. Yeah, now it's getting close, but still it's much better than what you see. I can tell you, unfortunately, the camera is not capable to record what I see. The colors are much more natural and it's much sharper than what you see. So I think the camera is pretty good. Regarding the options here, we have a couple of options. We can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, other things. Then we have different languages if you're interested. I hope you can see them here. A couple of Asian languages, then French, Italian, Spanish, German, something else, Turkish, and back to English. We can choose 16:9 or 4:3. Then we have the guiding lines, which we can turn on and off. Then we could do a reset. We can activate also a virtual pass here with these buttons. You can see, could be really helpful. And turn on and turn off. That's probably it here from this screen. So the most difficult thing here is to find this button here, and then of course to do the real installation on the car. Otherwise it seems to be pretty simple. Camera is good. So I think that's it for now. By the way, it's a super cheap set. It's only $45 for the whole thing. I've never seen it so cheap. Yeah, so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it out from there if you like it, and hopefully able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.